Are you guys surviving this heat? Whew. Currently, Gauteng and KwaZulu-Natal baking in heatwave conditions since Saturday and expected up until Tuesday. Johannesburg is soaring to a high of 32 degrees and it will remain hot the rest of the work week with temperatures very close and just below the heatwave threshold. Lots of sunshine. The biggest question is, can we expect any rain? Let's have a look. Okay, so we know it's hot over the northern and eastern areas of South Africa, but in the far southwest, we actually have a cold front reaching Cape Town on Tuesday morning, spreading showers over the southwestern part. It's quickly spreading eastwards. Ahead of that front, thunderstorms expected over the interior. And then by Wednesday, the cold front and an onshore flow is expected to cool down things finally in KwaZulu-Natal, bringing a few showers. And from late afternoon, a few heat-induced thunderstorms likely to bring some relief to the heat here and there over northwest Gauteng as well as the Highveld. But in the west, as mentioned, that cold front moving over the coast, bringing scattered showers the morning over the southwestern areas. A few light showers likely along the southern coastline, and ahead of that cold front, a coastal low along the coast as well as a trough will help to bring down a few thunderstorms over the interior of South Africa, extending to the Free State, later reaching the Eastern Cape, as well as the southern and western areas of KwaZulu-Natal. It's windy ahead of that cold front and cloudy conditions with light showers expected over the peninsula as well as Cape Town, much cooler. 21 degrees the afternoon, 22 in Hermanus. Light showers later reaching the Winelands as well as Swellendam, and then quickly slipping south. An onshore southwesterly wind expected along the southern coastline. Temperatures in the mid-20s and a 30% chance of light rain for the southern coastline as well as Nelson Mandela Bay. After a hot day, thunderstorms expected over the interior of the Eastern Cape, 32 degrees in Kumani. That southeaster later picking up between East London and Port St. John's and becoming stormy from late afternoon as thunderstorms are expected to reach the coastal areas as well as the Wild Coast. It's hot and humid during heatwave conditions in KwaZulu-Natal. The mercury soaring to 37 degrees in Pietermaritzburg. In Mpumalanga, lots of sunshine over the Highveld. Maximum temperatures expected above 30 degrees. And then partly cloudy skies at times for the Lowveld of Limpopo, 31 degrees in Zenine as well as Polokwane, and a sunny and hot day for the Bushveld. Hot again in northwest, temperatures above 30 degrees. The Weather Service warning against runaway fires. And then from late afternoon, a few thunderstorms are likely here over the far western areas. That southwesterly wind expected to pick up over the southern parts of the Northern Cape as well as especially the Karoo, heating up over the interior as well as the northern areas with a band of thunderstorms extending from Postmasburg over Kimberley as well as Colesberg. Later northerly winds picking up ahead of a few isolated thunderstorms over the western parts of the Free State, hot in Bloemfontein with a high of 32 degrees. Hot again during heatwave conditions in Gauteng, peaking at 34 in Pretoria. Lots of sunshine, 32 in Johannesburg. On Wednesday, that cold front reaching KwaZulu-Natal, cooling down the province, bringing a few showers, 24 in Durban. And as mentioned, isolated thunderstorms likely over Gauteng. But then into Thursday, hot and dry weather returns to the Highveld with a few thunderstorms likely here over the interior of South Africa, stretching over northwest, the Free State, Eastern Cape, and parts of KwaZulu-Natal, and that southerly wind picking up in the mother city. Well, that's all from me, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.